Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, I want to give you a quick update on the van. What I've been doing today. I haven't did a lot. I've got a lot of things ordered that's kind of slow to get here with the coronavirus and everything. I hope everybody's doing well, and staying home and staying safe. But with the coronavirus, with Amazon, a lot of stuff is shipping slower, which is, I realize they're doing their part to ship what needs to be shipped, and that's great. So, I'm not in a big hurry for my stuff, but I have a lot of stuff ordered to finish the electrical. And the next couple of weeks, I'll be getting all that in, and we'll wrap up the whole electrical system. So I'll show you what I have did, and I want to show you something I really like. And I'm going to, I guess I'll back up and show you the footage when I got it, and it's a couple months ago. Hey guys, I bought something else for my van. I bought a folding mattress or a folding bed. This is trifold. It's 58 by 78, 4.5 inches foam. But it comes like this. It's come rolled up tight, and you're supposed to unwrap this thing, open it up, and let it sit up for like a day or a day and a half or something for it to expand. For it to, I guess, all the air will build up in it and expand and make it thicker. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. I'm sure this comes from China, so I hope there's not any coronaviruses trapped in this thing. Kind of joking, but in a way, I don't know, never know. So, like I say, you just take it out, unroll it, and you can hear it. It's like immediately it's starting to expand. I like this. This is a foam, they call it a trifold mattress, and I really like it. If you remember, if you look back at some of my videos, I have a metal bed frame that goes higher, and I wanted to keep all this open space and be able to use all the space below, set the bed up as high as I could. And I've got the metal frame that goes probably right in here. The front's hinged, and I was gonna have the mattress up high. But with the way this has turned out, I think we really like it the way it is. And it's crossways, and I'm 6 foot, and if I lay a little bit diagonally, I'm comfortable. I'm really comfortable. And Evelyn, she's barely 5 foot if she's 5 foot. So we feeling it good. Maybe later I can show you some footage of us, how we fit. But a lot of people say if you're 6 foot, you don't want to be crossways. But if you got enough width, you can lay a little bit diagonally, it's fine. So I took a little nap in it, and it was comfortable. And like I say, I like the way this feels. It's soft, it has plenty of padding. If you want to put, say, another like a rubber mat under it, you'll have even more padding. But for the van, what I would do for the van, the bathroom's gonna be the last thing I finish, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with the compost and install it or what, but I think I'm gonna go with the compost and install it. But I've secured this down, and I'm going to put some kind of top on this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there yet. And I've finished most of the side in here. I've got my lights is all wrapped up. I've added this. I'm probably going to change this a little bit, but and it's just up here with some brackets right now under here, and I'm gonna add a bracket or two at the top. I noticed when I put this bracket up here for this is really secure. And we'll probably paint this here, and this piece I'm going to trim the bottom so stuff won't come out. It's just a little storage space for us, and we're not going to be full-time vanners, so this is mainly going to be, you know, a weekend van for us, or occasionally a week trip. And who knows, down the road, you know, we retire, if we still have this, you know, we may go for a month at a time, who knows.